Are you a homeowner in Lincoln, Nebraska that has owned their house for years, maybe 15, 20, 25 years or more? And at this point, the house has become more of a burden than maybe what it's worth. Maybe the house needs too many repairs that you just don't want to do. Maybe some structural issues are starting to happen with your house that you'd prefer not to deal with. And maybe you're just considering at this point to sell the house, sell it in its as-is condition, and move on so that you don't have to worry about all the potential challenges that come with the house. My name is Ben Souchek, and I'm with the Sierra Group Pro Home Buyers. And my company has been buying houses in Lincoln, Nebraska for over 20 years. And we specialize in buying houses that do need updates and repairs. The benefits that we can offer to you and the reasons why people choose to do business with us and sell us their house is that they don't have to do any updates or repairs, especially if they need some major issues with the house. You don't have to worry about cleaning out the house, getting it show ready, putting up with showings or keeping it show ready. You don't have to worry about having agents call you at the last minute to bring potential buyers through the house and having to deal with the interruptions to your life with those issues. You also don't have to worry about any surprises before closing, such as when buyers have whole house inspections or appraisals for their lender that notoriously show or create show deficiencies in your house and are cause for renegotiating the agreement that they already have with you. Typically, when we have an agreement, then that is it, unless there's something extremely major that shows up later on. But that way you know that what you're going to get at the closing table, and you don't have any surprises after an agreement that you created with us. We can close on the date of your choice, and one big benefit that a lot of people like is that we can close right away, usually within several days of having an agreement in place, so that you know the house is sold, and then you can take a little bit of time to make the transition to your new home or apartment. So people really seem to appreciate that aspect of it. So if you do have a house in Lincoln, Nebraska, and you're considering whether you should sell or spend the money to update the house and stay there, give us a call, and we'd be happy to tell you what options we can provide for you, and you can determine whether that might be the right thing or if we can work to find a plan B for you. Again, just go to 7dayscash.com, and I'd be happy to help you in any way that I can. Thank you.